Hey guys, I just got the Galaxy S20 Plus because I was having so much autofocus problems. So I just got it. I'm gonna upload the unboxing video soon. This is in 3x. Focus is perfect. And there's the regular, and there's the super wide angle. Let's do another test. Let's actually zoom in on some of these aloe plants I have here. Let's go over there. And wow, I'm really satisfied with this 3x. Oops. Let's go way the hell out there. Oh, it didn't focus. Yeah, it did focus. Let's go way out there. 3x quality is really good. Oh, it's a little jittery. Let me see if I can go a little bit closer. I'm gonna try a 10x. So in 4K mode, it supports up to 12x. 10x, it doesn't look anywhere near good as the S20 Ultra, but I'm having no focus problems. And really the greatest thing about this is that when you're close up, you can still use the 3x zoom, whereas you can't zoom this close when you're close up with the S20 Ultra, because it will just not focus close up subjects. But I think 3x is just perfect for what I need to do with the phone. I mean, if I need to do some telephoto photos, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my mirrorless camera with 100x zoom lens. But wow, look at that, 3x zoom is perfect. This is all I really need. I think this is more functional in terms of real life usage, and this is still perfect for me, and I'm really satisfied. But watch out for my my video soon on the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and edit it, upload it, and you can see it's almost sunset here in California. Guys, don't buy too much toilet paper. Please save some for others, because there is plenty of toilet paper. You're not gonna wipe your ass like 10 times more than normal. Just grab a little bit more, maybe one more roll than normal. But I really love how I can focus on the background here. So the S20, the regular S20 and the S20 Plus I've got here uses dual pixel focus. That's why it focuses so much better, just like previous Galaxy products. But with the S20 Ultra, Samsung changes to PDAF, which is not dual pixel, and that's why you're having problems with focus with the S20 Ultra. It's not a software thing. Samsung's not going to be able to update it. So if you guys want the better autofocus, because obviously you use your phone with one hand very often, I would highly recommend getting the S20 or the S20 Plus. And I'm just so glad I made this change. This is the first Samsung phone I'll ever return, the S20 Ultra. But really loving the 3x. As you can see here, you get really nice bokeh effect. Very nice close-up, very nice image. Look at this weed. I should cut this off. Have a great day, guys. Looking really nice out here. Let me see if I can focus on some other stuff up there. And 3x optical is just perfect. Perfect optics. Nice and clear. Alright, you don't need that 100x space zoom. That's only, it doesn't work correctly. And low light performance is terrible, and it's pretty low light right here, and I think it performs much better than the S20 Ultra. I should have a comparison video, but really love it.